Never worry yourself when you are alone. It is the time to have an encounter with God. It is the time to search the heavens. It is the time to go deeper in God. It is the time to get a revelation about God. It is the time to pour your heart to the King of Kings. Many people are worried when they are alone. Actually, I counseled somebody one time who came to me saying, Mommy, I don't know why people reject me. I'm always alone. And I feel so bored when I'm alone. Many times I'm alone. Even if I get friends, before you know they have left. I said, this sister, maybe this time where God is creating for you, He's creating for you to have enough time with Him, to know Him. Because when you have God, who can reject a person who's blessed by God? Who can reject a person who has encounter with God? The whole world is looking for God. When people are walking away from you, let them walk away. Seek God. When you find God, they will look for you.